What's going on, everyone? It's Cornelius here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of Forex trading. Listen, I get it. Forex can seem super complicated and risky, but trust me, once you break it down, it's not as intimidating as you might think. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the most effective strategies I've used, and more importantly, how you can develop your own winning game plan. Alright, before you even think about placing a trade, you absolutely have to understand market trends. Think of it like surfing. You wouldn't just paddle out without knowing which way the waves are going, right? The same goes for Forex. You need to identify if the market is trending upwards, downwards, or just chilling out in a range. There are tons of tools out there to help you do this, like moving averages, trend lines, and even just looking at plain old price charts. Okay, let's talk risk management. This is huge, guys. You see all those flashy ads promising overnight riches? Don't buy it. Forex trading is about preserving your capital first, then growing it steadily over time. One of the golden rules I live by is to never risk more than 1% of your trading account on any single trade. Seriously, this one rule alone can save your portfolio. Also, get comfortable with stop-loss orders. They automatically close your trades at a certain price, preventing catastrophic losses. Now, let's get a little more technical, shall we? Technical analysis is all about using past price data to predict future price movements. It's like looking for clues and patterns in the charts, kind of like being a detective for the markets. Some popular technical indicators include moving averages, which we touched on earlier, as well as the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and MACD, which can help you spot potential buying or selling opportunities. While technical analysis is great for short-term moves, fundamental analysis is how you understand the bigger picture. This is where you dig into the economic data, news events, and overall health of a currency. For example, if a country's interest rates rise, their currency tends to strengthen. By keeping an eye on economic calendars and news releases, you can get a sense of where the market might be heading in the long run. Listen, the world of Forex is constantly changing, so you gotta be ready to adapt and evolve your strategies. That means never stop learning, guys. Read books, watch tutorials, follow experienced traders. Knowledge is power in this game. And don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined, manage your risk, and never give up on your goals. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this breakdown helpful and feel more confident about tackling the Forex market. Seriously, if you're willing to put in the work and stay dedicated, the opportunities are limitless. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And hey, let me know in the comments down below what strategies you're using or if you have any questions.